How to purchase the S&P 500 index and have the dividends reinvested with TD Ameritrade. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that with this video. But first, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, hit that like, comment, and share button. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and children of all ages, you are now tuned in to the Investor Show. As always, this is Grace's host, the Prince of Investing, Prince Dykes, coming from the beautiful city and state of Denver, Colorado. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, comment, and share button. And as always, I don't have a lot of time, and I definitely know you guys and girls don't have a lot of time, so we're going to jump straight into it. So, we've all heard about the S&P 500 index. It is pretty much a broad-based index that tracks the top 500 companies in America. Made very popular by Warren Buffett, and I think his name is John Bogan of Vanguard, the founder of Vanguard. Rest in peace to him. But you always hear about Warren Buffett says, hey, purchase the index, purchase the S&P 500, a broad-based index of the top 500 companies in America, and have the dividends reinvested. So people ask about this video, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do that with this video, and I'm going to give you 3 options as well. So right here while you're logged in, you have 3 options. We're going to go with SPY. Type in stock symbol SPY. SPY is the most heavily regarded one, but sometimes people think it's a little expensive for $278. So with SPY, this is the top 500 companies. It's by the Spider, SPDR. And I'm also going to show you Vanguard, which is VOO. This is Vanguard's portion, or this is Vanguard's as well. This is Vanguard's portion of the S&P 500 index. This is an ETF actually, right? So this is another one you can use, Vanguard. And I'm going to show you another one as well. This is by Charles Schwab. This one is cheap, but you have to be very, very careful with this one. So there's a transaction fee, and this transaction fee with TD Ameritrade could be like $49.90. I mean, like $49, almost $50 just to purchase the index. So definitely that's a downside to this one on this particular platform with TD Ameritrade. So be very careful with that. Now, when you're ready to pick one, you just hit the buy button. Hit continue. Here's going to ask you your investment amount, and it's going to ask you if you want to reinvest the funds, because this is an index fund, right? That's if you decide to choose this one. I will recommend against this one because of the fees, attached to it. I don't like that. So you can reinvest into the fund. You can hit review order and pay funds. Now, if you get an ETF, you have to go back and enroll it into the DRIP program. Let me show you how to enroll into the DRIP program. So right here, you just type in DRIP at the beginning in the search box, DRIP. And then this is going to come up. So what you're going to do here now, click on how to enroll into DRIP. Now when you're here, it's going to bring you to the overview. Right here it says stocks and ETF dividends. You're going to click enroll/edit. When you come to this part right here, click on edit enrollments. When you click on edit enrollments, click right here where it says automatically enroll current and future eligible stocks for ETFs. So that means the next time you buy a stock that has a dividend, it's automatically going to be enrolled. You don't have to do it over and over and over. So this is how you can set up for all the stocks that's in your portfolio, and the future ones, you can just hit the save button. So now it tells you all eligible and current stocks and ETF are eligible for future ones will be automatically enrolled. And then so now when you purchase, if you chose an ETF like SPY or VOO, you have a ton of other ones out there. Every time you purchase it, it's automatically going to take your dividends and purchase you fractional shares. That's how it works. If you want to know more about it, it tells you right here. The Stock and ETF Dividend Reinvestment Plan, DRIPS, lets you automatically reinvest cash dividends by purchasing additional shares or fractional shares from chosen eligible stocks and ETFs to enroll below. So when you buy a stock, if you own Coca-Cola stock, instead of them giving you $1, $3, $5, $50, and instead of them paying you a cash dividend, that dividend goes back to purchase you more shares. So this is exactly how to purchase the S&P 500 index and to enroll it in to get your dividends automatically reinvested. All right. Until the next video, podcast, cartoon, or whatever else crazy you see me do around the globe. Peace, be safe. I'm out. Thank you.